What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. Imagine earning daily Bitcoin without ever touching mining equipment or paying massive electricity bills. Today, we're going to be talking about a massive project known as GoMining, and this project is changing the way people mine by turning real Bitcoin mining power into simple digital assets that literally anyone can own. It's transparent, it's beginner-friendly, and it's built to make mining finally accessible for everyone. Welcome back, guys. As I was saying, GoMining started back in 2017 and has been building real Bitcoin mining infrastructure with trusted partners ever since. And after 4 years of steady growth, they even launched the GoMining utility token in 2021 to make mining even more accessible. Their goal was to make mining reliable, to make it transparent, and to make it available to everyone and not just to big companies. Over the years, the mining power they manage has grown massively, and it's now passing more than 10 million terahashes, which is a huge milestone. And with the help of top partners like Binance and Bitmain, GoMining turned professional level mining into something regular that people can join too. These guys created digital miners, which is a simple way to own real mining power and earn Bitcoin daily without setting up any hardware or worrying about electricity costs. The first one is the GoMining token, and you can buy it directly in the app using a card or crypto wallet on BSC, Ethereum, or TON networks. It's also listed on several major exchanges, and you can hold it as its value grows or lock it in a smart contract to earn weekly token rewards and take part in community governance. The second option is digital miners, which are NFTs that are backed by real Bitcoin mining machines. Each digital miner represents ownership in a real device that works non-stop to mine BTC for you. What's interesting is that you can mine solo, or you can even join a team in pool mode to increase your output. On top of that, guys, paying your fees in GoMining tokens will give you a 10% discount on electricity costs and will boost your mining rewards. And what's cool is the fact that you will see your first Bitcoin rewards the day after your purchase. Once you reach 10,000 Satoshis, GoMining even covers the withdrawal fee, so you can send your BTC straight to your own wallet. You can create a new digital miner in the app, you can buy one on the GoMining secondary market, or you can find verified collections on OpenSea and get gems. As you can see, guys, everything is simple, everything is pretty transparent, and it's fully ready to earn from day one. And for the most dedicated members, there is something even more special called GoMiners Avatars. This is a limited collection of only 1,000 unique heroes that are made for the biggest GoMining supporters. You can earn access keys by completing achievements and joining contests, and then use them to collect your own GoMiner. Each avatar gives lifetime perks across the entire GoMining ecosystem, and that includes discounts when creating or upgrading miners, early access to pre-sales, and even a GoMining welcome pack. And if this wasn't enough, guys, you will also get access to a private club where members can attend offline meetups, talk directly with personal managers, and get insider updates before literally anyone else. On top of that, every avatar has its own special abilities that can boost your mining farm rewards, making them both collectible and valuable for long-term holders. That being said, guys, let's talk about what really makes GoMining's digital miner special. When you buy one, the Bitcoin hash rate you get is yours forever. There is no timer, there is no lock-in, and there is no hidden limits. You own it completely, and you can upgrade or adjust your miner whenever you want. And once you activate mining mode, your miner starts working for you automatically and sends daily Bitcoin rewards straight to your wallet every 24 hours. What's also very very important to highlight in today's video is the fact that behind all this is a strong network of verified partners that keep the entire system running smoothly. One of the biggest names, GoMining, powers GoMining's digital miners across Europe using professional-grade hardware. Their mining pool runs with more than 11 million terahashes per second, top-level efficiency of about 22 watts per terahash, and super low energy costs of roughly 5 cents per kilowatt hour. And that, my friends, is exactly how GoMining keeps everything simple, transparent, and rewarding. Alright guys, now that you heard everything about this project, let's talk about something really exciting happening right now. GoMining's ambassador Marius just started a huge giveaway where the first 5 people can win a free 1TH miner. First, go to the referral link in the description or the pinned comment and create your GoMining account. Once you've signed up, open your profile, copy your user ID, and send it to Marius in a DM on X so he can verify that you joined through his link. After you buy your 1TH miner, he will check it on his end and send you $25 in USDC directly to your wallet. Just make sure you follow each step correctly because he can literally see everything from his side, so it's only for real participants. As you can see guys, it's simple, it's quick, and it's one of the best chances to start your mining journey with GoMining while also getting a little reward back for joining early. That being said guys, if you have been maybe thinking about getting into crypto mining, this is your moment. GoMining is surely one of the few legit platforms out there where people are actually earning every single day. Be sure to check the link in the description or the pinned comment, sign up, and start your mining journey today. Whether you're new to crypto or already deep in this space, GoMining is one of those rare platforms that truly delivers, so don't miss out. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.